Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today another food review video, and today I'm going to be trying Fast Bites barbecue chicken. This is packaging, it's yellow, looks like that. So, I'll be back when it's ready and to try, so see you then. Alright, I'm back. And this is hot. That's what it looks like out of the packaging. Pretty much like all of them. This is barbecue chicken, by the way, if I didn't say that already. And very hot. That's what it looks like. The same sauce that's on the other ones, of course, or the other one. It's good. I enjoy it. I mean, obviously. So far, every single one of these Fast Bites sandwiches I've enjoyed. They're all the same price. So, and I just found these. I haven't had this one, like I said, yet, besides just now. But, I think they're good. So, go pick one up, try it for yourself, see how you like it. I think I've said all these Fast Bite things are already all good. So far, the ones I've had, yeah, they're pretty good. I think they'd be good for, well, exactly what they call it, Fast Bite. You need something quick and don't have much time. So, that's my review on this Fast Bites barbecue chicken sandwich. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit those post notifications. And I'll see you guys next time.